Why LEGO Serious Play is effective. Welcome. In this video, we'll explore why LEGO Serious Play is an effective tool for meetings and workshops. In LEGO Serious Play, the LEGO bricks serve as a common language that anyone can use, regardless of their education, position, or culture. This ensures that everybody's knowledge and insights are surfaced. The starting focus in LEGO Serious Play is on each individual, not the group. This structure requires everyone to be actively involved in the decision process, increasing the likelihood that all parties will honor the decisions and agreements after the meeting. LEGO Serious Play produces more concrete ideas and results because everyone has time to build their answers and input before conversation and knowledge sharing begin. LEGO Serious Play ensures faster and better communication and understanding by using 3D visualization, metaphors, and stories. This also leads to fewer misunderstandings. Meetings facilitated by LEGO Serious Play stay on topic because the focus is on the bricks, not the person. This allows the discussion to become very intense without creating personal conflicts. LEGO Serious Play helps create engaging, insightful, and productive meetings where everyone has a voice and the focus remains on collaboration and understanding.